Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share my weekend routine with you. I usually wake up a little later than usual. I stretch my arms, yawn, and take a deep breath. Then I make some tea or coffee and enjoy it near the window. I look outside, watch the sunlight, and feel calm. After breakfast, I like to do fun and creative things. Sometimes I read a book, sometimes I draw, or I play a fun game. Even learning something small can be exciting. Trying a new recipe or drawing a picture makes me happy. In the afternoon, I sometimes go for a walk outside. I enjoy nature, the fresh air, and listen to the birds. Walking outside makes me feel relaxed and happy. Spending time in nature is good for both kids and adults. In the evening, I tidy my room a little. Then I relax by listening to soft music or watching something I enjoy. Before sleeping, I think about my day and smile. Even small moments, like a quiet cup of tea or a gentle smile, make life beautiful. Thank you for spending time with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you again soon.